Okay, so me and Mark finally ditched Scott again. And we're on a bird already, so stay tuned. Okay, so me and Mark are having a hell of a day. And we just are about to call it quits. And we went to our last spot. And there's 2 birds right outside of our window. I couldn't get video of it because it all happened so fast. But we're about to get on them. We're gonna sneak up over the hill and blast them. So stay tuned here. Be ready, he could walk right past us in that opening. He's probably right on the other side of that brush. We're up on top of that pile that we walked up this morning. Get closer to this brush. I think I hear him spitting over here. Mark, do you think we should call him in? Mark, right there on top of the pile, don't move. Fuck, he sees us. On top of the pile that we were on this morning. A hen, I think. Right to the left. Yeah. Damn it. She disappeared. No, she's right there still. Okay, does she look at us? Yeah. There's still one to the right. Yeah. Okay. I guess go for that one. Just go now. I guess. What else are you gonna do? She sees us, so. Okay, get ready. Don't move. He's coming right now. Yeah, I see him. Take him. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. I think we're fucking done. Oh my god.
I just see like something standing straight up, well, like red, white, and blue, right next to the shed. And I was like, oh my god, that's him. And then he goes into full strut.
I got it on
and he's
video.
walking straight towards us.
I'm right over your shoulder. Dude, that was freaking wild. It's 11:44. 11:44. We were just about to give up. A hell of a day.
It's been like 15 minutes.
Holy crap.
That was so cool.
I gotta sit down, dude. My legs are freaking weak.
That wasn't your typical hunt.
No.
That was so fun.
We were about to give up. We said, let's try this one more spot.
Shit. We had 25 minutes to hunt. So like, let's just sweep around. And they're both up here.
Yep. That's a nice beard there. Beautiful red, white, blue head.
Man, that was cool.
Wow.
He was right here.
Yep.
Next to the shed.
Yep. We were standing right there. We peeked right up over that refrigerator. Oh man. Well guys, this won't be a great video, but we got it done anyway, so I guess we're gonna keep hunting. I guess our next trip is gonna be out in Maryland, so
yeah, making another.
Be ready for that. That'll be a real nice video, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.
And then as soon as he went below the tires, the sack tires, his head disappeared a little. Because when he went in a full strut, his head like shot down.
Yeah.
And that's when I lifted the gun up. And I waited between, I waited for his head to hit the tween. I blasted through some of this. But this small window between the fridge and this bush, I waited for his head to pop out. Dropped him. That was so cool. Yep. That was so different.
And then what you see in the video is I see the bird die. It's obvious. So I then take off over here because there was another bird up on top of here, which we didn't get video of, like I said, but there was a bird over here on this road, and the gobbler was right there. We drove right up this road. I mean, I could have threw my coffee at him.
5 yards in the car, it's full strut. Oh my
So once that bird was dead, Marc's bird, I then switched over here and I started calling for this bird. And they kind of, I see them go down into this other private piece, and a fox was chasing them, so it was pretty cool. But yeah, anyways, we got it done, guys. Thanks for watching.